Hi, I'm Shin, and this is next part of our Datsun renovation. In previous video I started with electronics, with lamps, and yeah, we will not doing this today because I need to unscrew boards and I need special tools for damaged boards. I don't have it for now. So today we will trying to taking off, I'm not sure, it's windshield reserve probably. Yeah, it's windshield reserve fluid, and maybe this from brakes. And yeah, so let's get to work. fat for this. Haha, now I'm enjoying. Alright. Oh shit. Woo. Yeah, I hope you see. Now we will taking off the elements from here, these cables. Shit, I really hope you see it. I'm not sure where to put camera for you. I also don't see what camera see. This is the worst part. Yeah, I'm not sure if you see this, but I will removing this now. Yeah, I just start spinning them, so I'm really fucked up. And I also now need another tool. There's a special tool to something like this, but with a hole. I don't know how to name it. That is allowing me to putting it into that, and then I will use it. But for now I can't unscrew them, so I will leave it just like it is here now. Always problems. Okay. I hope you will see this. We're removing this. most funny thing is that this plate is here when it should be here. I don't know why somebody changed the location. Yes. Woo. Okay. So I hope you see me. So for today it will be all. Again, we did not too much. I know, I'm sorry, but I don't have the tools, and now I need first to buy these tools, but for now I have no money for that. And also slowly it's starting getting cold here, and work will be not fine for me. I was working in cold with another car, and I really don't like this. I was sure that if I have a garage, in this case a barn, it will be better to work, but no, still it's not good, not well. And also I will, when you're watching this, probably I have 1 month left to live near the Datsun, and later I'm travel to another country to work. I will try to once in month coming back to Poland on weekend, so I will be able to maybe work some with this car. I will see. But yeah, now when you're watching this, then probably from now there will be not often videos, so I'm sorry for that. I'm not sure for how long I will travel to England, because I will move to England for some time. I wish it will be only 1 year, but I'm not sure how long, maybe 2 years. Yeah, I will still try to make videos from Datsun, but as I said, they will be now rarely, and I'm sorry for that. So for now, thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos. Bye.